Look, I'm not here to yell at you or tell you your life is falling apart. You already know if something needs to change. That weird feeling in your stomach when you scroll at 2 a.m.? Yeah, that's it. That's the truth trying to get your attention. Here's what nobody tells you about transformation. It doesn't start with a bang. It starts with a Tuesday, a random, boring Tuesday, where you finally get tired of your own excuses, where you stop waiting for the perfect moment and realize, this is the moment. Forget the 365-day master plan. Forget becoming a completely different person by next year. That's not how this works. Real change? It's messy. It's 2 steps forward, 1 step back. It's failing on Wednesday and trying again on Thursday. You want to know the secret? There is no secret. Just this. Tomorrow morning, do 1 thing differently. Not 10 things. Not your entire routine. Just 1 small thing that the old version of you wouldn't do. Maybe it's making your bed. Maybe it's drinking water before coffee. Maybe it's saying no to something that wastes your time. Because here's what's wild. 6 months from now, you'll either be someone who kept that 1 promise to yourself or someone who's still planning to start soon. And the crazy part? Both versions of you will be surprised at how fast 6 months went by. I'm not asking you to believe in yourself. I'm not asking you to find your why or whatever. I'm asking you to do something so small you can't fail, and then do it again tomorrow. That's it. That's the whole game. 1 year from today, you'll wish you started today. I know that sounds like a poster in a gym, but it's true. Future you is either going to thank you or ask you, why did we wait so long? So here's my challenge. Pick 1 habit. So small it feels stupid. So easy you could do it even on your worst day. Now commit to it for just 30 days. Not forever. Just 30 days. Can you do that? If you're ready to stop overthinking and just start, drop a comment. Day 1. That's all. No big speeches. No promises you won't keep. Just day 1. And hey, if this hit different, subscribe. Not because I need it, but because you do. You need reminders. We all do. Let's build something real here.